So Ray Wong posted this as from the Samsung Unpacked event, and it's actually looking at some prototype Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5s that Samsung was thinking about going with. And these are all different form factors. So instead of it being, like for example, this first one here I think is 22 by 19, and as he goes along we're going to look at these. So the first one he has here, which you guys can see right here, bigger outside display, so a little bit more, you know, than the regular Galaxy Z Fold 5 right now. This one right here is 22 by 9 ratio, 23 by 9 ratio. The next one here is going to be 22 by 9. This one is 21 by 9. This one is 19.5 by 9. So, again, Samsung clearly not, you know, wasn't 100% sold on keeping their same exact style for the Z Fold 5. They were thinking about going elsewhere. And to be honest, they probably should have. And I really, truly hope in the future here we do eventually see an outside display made by Samsung for Galaxy Z Fold series where the outside display is bigger and more of a candy bar cell phone rather than being a very small pipsqueak, you know, outside display. Now, me personally, I don't mind the outside display being so thin and, you know, being so almost not impossible to use, but definitely hard to use in candy bar cell phones. I kind of gotten used to it, right? But for those who haven't gotten used to it or absolutely hate it, this would have probably been a better alternative. And to be honest, this probably would have sold a lot more Z Fold 5s. Not only because of the fact that, you know, it's different and it's actually an upgrade, but in my opinion, it looks better. It looks more elegant. It looks more, you know, like premium, I would say. Like, when I look at this, don't get me wrong, I love how the Z Fold series looks. I know some people hate it. I personally love it. But when you look at it compared to this, I mean, it's night and day when it comes to how beautiful this is. And it might also be the color scheme. Obviously, this is silver and black, while this is, well, silver and black, but the colors blend a lot better on this. Because this, you actually see the hinge, you see the structure of it, I will say, is a tad bit different. But overall wise, I mean, tell me down below which one you would pick up personally. I wish Samsung would have done something like this just to give us something different for the Z Fold 5 instead of just kind of copying and pasting the Z Fold 4. Now, based on 1,838 votes here, Ice Universe posted, everyone is saying number 2. I mean, what is that, 86.1%? So let's see how many people actually that is. That is times 0.861. That's 15,082 people said that they like number 2 better. 300 people say they like number 1 better. And I'm going to be honest with you. Number 1 is so much more beautiful. It's also, I believe, a taller display. And it's also, inside display will probably be bigger too. It'll probably be 8-inch inside. So again, Samsung, you had the ball in your court. You could have taken the shot. And you decided to fumble the bag. I don't know. It's just my personal opinion. I know, again, like I said, 15,000 people apparently, 1,500 people agree with what I just said. So, it's definitely interesting that Samsung could have went that route, but decided not to. It is quite disappointing. But definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the prototypes right here? Or do you prefer the, you know, what we actually got from Samsung? I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.